Welcome back to Jeff Outdoors. Today, just doing more preparation for maple season, and wanted to take a few minutes and just show you some of the taps that I have and use. So you have an option of plastic, aluminum, or stainless steel taps. The stainless steel taps are going to be your most expensive, and depending on how serious you want to get about tapping maple trees every year, I recommend the stainless steel. They don't corrode. They're going to last you pretty much a lifetime. So that's the stainless steel, and that's the bucket hook. So you can take a look at that. This is where you're going to tap it right here to put it into the tree. As you can see, it has the hole there. Why is the hole on the bottom? As the pressure in the tree builds and the sap comes up through the sapwood, it's going to go through that hole and run down the spile and come out. So that's why that's like that. So this is fairly new. This is a fairly new spile, whatever you want to call it. If you take a look at that one, this was used 1 year. Now I'm going to show you the cast aluminum spiles. Cast aluminum has a tendency to potentially corrode, and I'll show you what I have here. Now this is a pretty clean one. That's cast aluminum. You can see it's a little bit different than the stainless steel. I'll show you here comparison. Okay, if I can hold it properly. Alright, so you can see the hooks are a bit different. They both have the hole here. That's where you put your bucket lid in. And you know, the functionality is exactly the same. So nothing there. But you know, these should be cleaned every year. That has a hole in the bottom. See the hole comparison? Okay. These are both 7/16. This one's fairly clean. Okay. Now this I got used. This is a used tap. So I don't know how they would clean their taps every year. But here's one that has cast aluminum. Can corrode, depending on what you're doing, cleaning them or whatever. You can see this one has a white powdery corrosion on it. I'm actually going to clean this one and just get some of that off of there. It's not really going to disturb your sap, I don't think, as far as that getting in the sap or anything. If anything, it would eventually boil out, settle on the bottom of your sap pan or something. I'm not real too concerned about it, but I am going to clean that with... Actually, I'm going to show you what I'm going to clean it with. If you have a rifle cleaning kit, you just take out your bore cleaners and you just clean out your spouts. Scrape with the you know, the wire brush, and then you can just dust it out with that thing. So it's actually already starting to work. So thought I'd show you that real quick. I actually don't have any plastic taps. I don't use plastic taps. The stainless steel keep cool and reduce the possibility of bacteria buildup inside the tap hole. So that's one reason. But the other reason is the stainless steel. I prefer stainless steel over the cast aluminum. stainless steel are going to last forever, pretty much. So thought I'd show you that. So if you're buying used equipment, if that bothers you, then okay. But you know, taps can actually be kind of pricey, especially if you're buying a bunch of them. So something to consider. If you know somebody who has old maple equipment and they're trying to sell it, then pick it up at a good price. So we're going to take care of this corrosion. So just thought I would show you that. Any questions on taps or tapping bits for drilling bits, let me know. And just short and sweet today. So thanks for tuning in, and maple season's coming up. Better get ready. Giddy up. Thumbs up.